I'm going to try to make a silencer for a suppressor for my L96 out of just some old bits of pipe and an old vertical bike pump thing and a barrel package for the inner barrel of the silencer. So here we go. Alright, I've used a saw to cut almost all the way through my inner pipe. If you can see there, it goes all the way down to the bottom, and then I've put duct tape through the slit to the bottom and then just taped it over. So the idea is I've created several chambers inside for the sound to dispel, and obviously the BB will just punch its way through the duct tape, so the first 10 shots or so may be not so accuracy consistent, but then that'll go through. So I'll finish this off and carry on. And this is how the silencer attaches to the gun. You've got the standard supplied end cap, and it doesn't quite fit. There's a small gap there, but it's tight. You can't. It's quite difficult to unscrew it. You've got to use your flat of your hand to crack it off. And once that's come out, I've got my silencer pipe here. It's quite big. There's the end. It's just got gaffer tape over the end at the minute. This is only a prototype. Change hands. It slides on to the end there like that. That's quite snug. And it slides all the way down to the bipod attachment, and then it actually screws in to the end of the muzzle. So it's tight there, and you can see I'm pulling it and it's not coming off. And that's how it looks on the gun. So it's only got sniper camo tape wrapped around it at the minute, because that's still just white PVC pipe, so it looks a bit out of place, but it works. It really does work. I'll do some test shots later out in the garden, and they'll be attached to the end of this video. So there you go. Take it off. Simple. Just reverse, undo, slide off, and it's back to normal size. And just screw the end cap back in. Okay, you've got the torch on the camera now. See if you can see down the end here. So this silencer is only a prototype, so I will be making a better one later on. And you see down the end there, that's where it screws in. It's quite difficult to see, but it's quite a length away. It's actually about here, at the entire length, so when it's on the gun, yes, that's about right. So only this part has actually got the silencing baffles in. So okay, I'm going to do several shots, getting further away from the camera.